PiNetwork set to transform crypto mining. Experts predict PiCoin to reach $163 by 2025. PiNetwork, an innovative cryptocurrency project, is making waves in the blockchain ecosystem, garnering significant attention due to its unique approach to mining and its impressive growth. With more than 67 million active users worldwide, PiNetwork has positioned itself as one of the fastest-growing cryptocurrency platforms. The project allows users to mine PiCoin directly through their smartphones, a feature that sets it apart from traditional mining methods that require expensive hardware and substantial energy consumption. In addition to its growing user base, PiNetwork is set for a major milestone: the anticipated launch of its open mainnet. This upcoming event is expected to bring significant changes to the PiNetwork ecosystem as it transitions into a fully decentralized and open blockchain network. Experts are now forecasting that PiCoin could reach as high as $163 by 2025, marking an incredible rise in its value. Here we take a closer look at what makes PiNetwork such an exciting development in the cryptocurrency space and why experts are so optimistic about its future. What sets PiNetwork apart? One of the primary factors that distinguish PiNetwork from other cryptocurrency projects is its approach to mining. While traditional mining requires high-performance hardware and considerable energy consumption, PiNetwork allows users to mine PiCoin simply by using their smartphones. This ease of access has made PiNetwork particularly attractive to a broad demographic of users who may not have the technical knowledge or financial means to invest in expensive mining equipment. PiNetwork's mobile mining functionality has also democratized access to the cryptocurrency space, enabling anyone with a smartphone to participate in the growing blockchain ecosystem. By lowering the barriers to entry, PiNetwork has been able to attract millions of users globally, creating a decentralized network of pioneers who are helping to secure and expand the ecosystem. Another key feature of PiNetwork is its focus on decentralization. Unlike many centralized cryptocurrency projects, PiNetwork's goal is to create an ecosystem that allows users to control their own assets without the need for intermediaries. This aligns with the broader trend in the cryptocurrency industry towards decentralization, as more people seek to reduce reliance on central authorities like banks and financial institutions. PiCoin's price surge. What's driving the optimism? The prediction that PiCoin could reach $163 by 2025 has generated significant buzz in the cryptocurrency community. While this may seem like an ambitious forecast, several factors suggest that such a price surge could be within reach. Here are a few key reasons why experts are so optimistic about PiCoin's future. Explosive user growth. One of the most important factors behind PiCoin's potential rise is its rapidly expanding user base. As of now, PiNetwork has over 67 million active users worldwide. This growth shows no signs of slowing down as more people continue to join the platform and participate in the mining process. The larger the user base, the higher the demand for PiCoin, which could drive up its value over time. With millions of people already participating in the PiNetwork ecosystem, the project is well positioned to capitalize on its growing popularity as the crypto market continues to mature. Mainnet launch and decentralization. The upcoming Mainnet launch is another significant event that could propel PiCoin's price to new heights. Once the open Mainnet is launched, PiNetwork will transition from a semi-centralized testnet to a fully decentralized blockchain. This transition will allow PiCoin to be traded freely on global exchanges, which will increase its liquidity and market exposure. As the network becomes more accessible and transparent, more investors and users will likely flock to PiCoin, further driving up its price. The Mainnet launch will also mark a critical point in PiNetwork's journey towards becoming a truly decentralized digital currency. As the project becomes more fully decentralized, its credibility and appeal to investors will likely increase, making it more attractive as a long-term investment. Growing ecosystem and real-world use cases. Another factor contributing to the optimism surrounding PiCoin is the ongoing development of PiNetwork's ecosystem. The PiNetwork team is working on creating real-world use cases for PiCoin, including merchant adoption and integration with various services. As PiCoin becomes more widely accepted for everyday transactions, its value will likely increase due to increased demand and utility. As the network progresses, its open mainnet launch and ecosystem development will be key determinants of its future success. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.